Moemate is gone and users are not happy. You waited, you hoped, you told yourself, any day now, Moemate will be back. Well, it's time to let that go. Moemate is not coming back. The developers have finally spoken, and the verdict? They're shutting it down completely. After weeks of silence, they pop back in just to say, yeah, we're done, but don't worry, something better is coming. In 3 to 6 months. Seriously? People stuck around through the domain issues, the lack of updates, the subscription headaches, and this is how it ends. They're not fixing it. They're not restoring it. They're just walking away and telling everyone to be patient while they build something new. Moemate was already struggling. Now, to be fair, the shutdown isn't entirely surprising. The devs admitted that Moemate was losing money, even after the energy update. And on top of that, they claimed they were facing censorship issues with third-party services and payment processors. So instead of dealing with the mess, they're scrapping the whole thing. And hey, if a product isn't profitable, I get it. But the way this was handled, that's what's pissing people off. For weeks, users were left in the dark, many of them still getting charged while the site was down. Now they're scrambling for refunds, and if you paid for an annual sub before January 3rd, tough luck. The community is furious. Some people feel betrayed, others are just tired. Moemate was one of the few AI chat platforms that actually had long-term memory and deep customization, and now everything's just gone. Users have lost years of conversations, customized bots, and storylines they've built. No warning, no way to retrieve them, just, we're done, thanks for playing. And now they want people to wait 3 to 6 months for whatever new thing they're working on? Yeah, not everyone is buying into that. Is it time to move on? Look, if you're willing to wait, more power to you. But for a lot of people, this was the final straw. Some have already moved on to platforms like Candy AI, which offers a stable and reliable chatbot experience without all the uncertainty. Others are just done with AI chat platforms altogether. Whatever happens next, one thing is clear. Moemate is over, and not everyone is willing to follow the devs into their next big project. So, what do you think? Are you waiting for their next release, or are you already searching for an alternative? Let me know in the comments.